we're very happy. Mustafa, if you're speaking, we can't hear you. Great short, Mustafa. I also went short. Took a small scalp. We can hear you.
Can you hear me now? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
speaking.
Hello.
Okay. So yeah, how's everyone today?
We're doing great. I hope our audience are doing great. Thanks for joining us.
Yes.
Mustafa trades the super CTP signals. Great. Great job.
It's the day for everyone so far. Does anyone have a pre-planned trades? Does anyone had any kind of trades previously? Mine to the shorts because the market tends to bounce from here, and we got this signal earlier. Okay, and I was a little bit late to go short. So I went short from the other line. But now, since everything is giving me long signal, so I'm waiting the price to come down here to this line at this level, 5,678, 79. So I will go long from here. How is it so far? So far, as I see, is clear with which is my favorite ticker. Okay, we started at the opening at 5,643 and goes up to around 720 or 717. This is the high of the day, and now it's bouncing back. Okay. So, continue. So they are selling. That's why we see the prices is dropping now. Because if anyone is having any question, please let me know. You, thank you, is following the same so far, which is really good. We have great news for two of the CTP students who got payout, their first payout by using the CTP.
Congrats. We're
Yes,
so proud of you.
I'm not talking about me only. I got a payout before and this. I got payout also from Top Step last week. I'm talking about Bang and Drone Cup. I don't know Drone Cup really. We have like 1 minute left on this. See, this trade is gonna be played out. Mr. CTP. There is anyone in a position with us? Mhm. To mark how many points we are doing during the session, so we can have a record for ourselves. I mean, during my sessions, I'm gonna do this, me and you, so we can follow up. Like every month, we do this amount of points. Every month, we have these winnings, like journaling during the trading here in the room. We can do, guys. We can do it. We need to make a plan. Like, for example, having 50K account that we can pass during the 2 days of the sessions that I'm doing each week. We will do our best, of course. Okay. So if we plan that someone is going to use the CTP and he's trading 2 days a week or 3 days a week, we need to figure it out. Like how many points he needs to achieve during these weeks. I guess 3K is around 500. That's 10, 20, 20. So it's, you explain the students why you have another high limit or low. Okay. This limit order was this one. I expected that the price could goes down here, okay, because we had another line on site and it was touched already, and we have another line here for the YM that raised zero number one. So I expected it might goes a little bit lower, okay, then it's gonna rebound back again. It's dollar cost average on the buy limit. Do you not use divergence or confluence indicators when trading? That's the boss question. No, I just use the CTP methodology. For me, it's really like more stronger than confluence and others. Percent. This percent. Can lose in profit also with you on eval still in but closed some. Okay. It's important thing. I'm in trial. How do I get access to what you're using? Okay, unfortunately, what I'm using doesn't have an access for trials. It's on the mentorship, and for the mentorship, yes, you need to contact Dr. Levy for this, please. Or you can DM me. I can put you in contact with Dr. Levy. Was your stop loss originally? Did you have one? Yes, at 10 points here, but I moved it down to be below the line here. So I'm using the lines as my take profit as well, since I'm trading only one contract. So I keep it within the lines. Basically, I use like 1 to 2 risk reward when I'm trading micros because micros is giving us more room. Was there a line? No. That's why I moved it from 10 points to 7 points, as you see here, because I needed to get a little like one or two ticks below. Mhm. Okay, the stop loss was 5 points. Yes, originally it's 5 points. See, so I
It
still
wants
want to
to
go
break.
long.
It wants to
Yeah.
break to the downside.
Yes, but as I see, we have a strong signals here, so I believe it's gonna keep trying to push up. This is like a rebound here for the buyers to collect their profit because they are closing the position before the market opens. Mm, mm, mm. Sure, this cool. It's hitting another support line, and for ES, just break now and it's moving from this line, the 680 or the 79 line to 66 line. Same thing happens for RTY. It's moving down so fast and so hard. You took profit of or 1 or 2 points before the line, you would have won a good trade. Does that happen to you a lot with these levels? No, I should have taken 5 points as take profit. Why? Because the levels were crowded. Okay, I ignored the rebounds that went to the high side. Okay, to the NQ and the YM. The YM was the last 5 minutes for it. It moves up from res 0 to res 1, which is supposedly I should get out from the trade when it hits res 1 the day, because this was a support level for it, or sorry, a resistance level for it. Basically, okay, what we are seeing now is that four of them now they are breaking to the downside. NQ, YM, both hit now the lines, the golden lines, the previous day's lines. That's why I was expecting a little rebounds from this area. Let's see what is gonna happen. Place my order here.
I made 820 bucks on my funded account the last 20 minutes.
It's really good.
Lost $5 on my SIM account. Guys, you need to help me today to get the money back on my SIM account. $5.
Ice cream. For this trip.
Guys, do you want to help me to get the money back? Oh, Trump speaks in 8 minutes.
I think the doctor did the same. She went short.
Actually, my entries were very accurate, long and short when
Yeah,
three instruments aligned and the other one did not contradict. So I had short and long trades recently.
it's really. It says Trump speaks in 8 minutes. Beware. Not only us should beware. The whole world.
Sorry, I didn't share the screen with you.
Mm, can you, please?
Yeah. I will share, but I need your help to get the money back on my SIM account.
Let's do it.
Okay. If Trump is going to speak, it's risky.
And now, if Trump speaks, this is we need the crystal ball.
Yeah. Uh, okay.
We need to wait until the news ends. But do you know how long does it take for him for the speech to end? Excellent job, Lucky. Seriously, excellent job. Perfect. Lucky is the one of the newest and the best, one of the best students of CTP.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's crushing it every day now. Really happy for you.
She, I think it's a female, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know
I'm
this.
sorry. Lucky, am I correct? Sorry for the confusion.
Sorry, Lucky.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for letting us know. Can you see the screen?
No, from my side.
Uh, we can both share. Guys, can you see my screen? Okay, great. Yeah, I need your help on my SIM account. Okay. Yeah.
Why I don't have that link? 5 minutes. See,
Show you the trades I took. Um, maybe it will be a huge mess. I'm not sure.
you are speaking about? You mean the where I place my order at 73, 673? This is intraday line according to the other lines to the other instruments. So I draw intraday lines, but don't plot it on the chart.
Guys, I took long here and not here, and the reason was because I anticipated that NQ will hit this level, and I followed YM when it happens. YM broke this support, and then I could see that both want to hit this support level. So I bought NQ from here, and I chickened out, of course. No, due to the consistency, but yeah, it was a good long entry here. Um, I will move to a sim account because of the consistency, and I will try to show you how I trade CTP when Trump is speaking. So I need to get the
Mhm.
$5 back. Mustafa, will you help me?
Yeah, of course. But you mean now? Like really now, or you want to after Trump speech?
To get the $5 back?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, now, of course. When he
Now, just
speaks.
when he
Uh,
speaks. Okay, so you want me to anticipate where the maximum the price goes according to CTP.
yeah.
I can do this, yeah. Okay,
Thank you.
I will be placing my buy limit order at keep pushing down. It's gonna hit around. I guess the Mr. Trump could go lower to 19,902. I will go long from this area because this is where all the golden line aligned. So I'm expecting like if it's really gonna be downward news, they're gonna go down to this area. 17,000. That's what I think. Mr. Trump is gonna do really a huge speech today.
Okay.
Okay. My review is sub two, number two at 19,904. Mm, If it's positive news, it should go long. If it's positive news,
So far, nothing.
no, nothing happened. Yes, which is
He
weird for
always
this
makes
market.
positive.
I don't know.
What is he going to speak about?
I
I
don't know.
think here about the
Honestly.
Middle East. About the Middle East, I think. Okay, let's see. Many resistance levels. Okay.
I would go short from zero of today.
Yeah. It yeah, yeah, but we don't know about what Trump is going to do.
Yes, CTP, yes.
Yeah.
So it's okay. What the
Yeah,
doctor
yeah,
is
yeah,
doing,
yeah.
you need to do
Yeah,
it with
yeah.
micros.
I only do it
Yeah.
with micros or on my SIM account.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
It's a tremendous deal with highly respected country. I bet it's Burkina Faso. All right. Okay. Speech about trade deal with UK. Turn has the NQ is hitting key level resistance. Same for YM. Same for
Yeah,
RTY.
I
But
don't like
RTY
that
is breaking
RTY
up.
is breaking. Yeah, no, I'm going out. I
Yeah,
don't like it.
that's what I said. We need to go from the zero.
Oh, res zero of NQ.
Yes.
Oh, I need patient. I don't have it.
Okay, guys, what do you think?
What do you think about doctor?
Okay, if you don't have vision, then go long. That's it.
Maybe it's not breaking. No, it's not breaking.
Right. Stay for 5 minutes. This candle to close. I have mine of 3 days, more trading including today on eval and need 2,910 to reach 9K target. Okay, that's around 150 points on one mini of NQ.
I missed that, Mustafa.
Yes,
I
you
was
did.
afraid of RTY, but this was a great entry.
This is true. Yes,
Thank you. Yeah.
it when I see the bar is within the previous bar, doesn't move out of the range of the previous bar. This for me consolidation. You know, I know you entered because there was a three key levels works as a
Exactly.
resistance for your
E-
entry.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the reason I entered, and it
I
was a
know
great entry.
it was good
Very
entry.
small drawdown. Very, very small drawdown. Yeah. I chickened out, guys. I was afraid of Trump also. I didn't know what's gonna happen. Excuses. Okay, let's look for I'm waiting for
Yeah,
another. Yeah, I don't know which direction. Let's see. Right now, they are all in the middle, contradicting a little. Um, so let's wait. Uh, did he speak? I don't know. Maybe.
He picked yes. And that's what he said. Let me tell you something, doctor. We have here this resistance line. Okay. Yes, it's a little bit far. The price of 5,661. Okay. If it goes down, which I believe so it's gonna do because now it's rebouncing exactly from the previous key level. So it's gonna take the NQ with it down. So I would wait until the price getting close to res one and I see and do comparison between the other instruments nearest
Okay. Because
the
so
key
far
level.
this support is very strong of
Exactly.
YM and NQ,
Yes.
very very strong. But this
Yeah.
resistance is also very strong. So uh, and in the middle, it's not a good idea to trade in the middle, guys, between strong resistance and strong support. We don't know where the market wants to go. Okay, it's coin flipping. So I'm waiting for another significant price levels to hit
Mm,
together without contradictions. And right now it's not maybe to go long from here.
No, doctor, because there is a
Yeah,
big gap
because
between four, yeah, risk zero, number four, okay, and risk one, number five. So we need to wait until the price is getting close here, and then we
yeah, they
check.
want to break. Yeah, I can
Exactly.
see. I can see.
Can you scroll up a little bit for YM so we can see which line next? Yes, please.
Yeah. It's a strong support. Very risky to go short here. Both respected the
Exactly.
support the second time. That's why I said maybe to buy here, but yeah, ES pushed to the downside, so it's risky.
It's pushing.
But yeah, this was a good entry. Let's see. It's risky. Hmm, I don't know. Yes, maybe,
Yes.
maybe.
Yes.
I understand. Yeah,
It's mentioned, but please wait. You know,
this is an intra. This is an intra
going level.
support. This is an
Yes.
intra support for ES. We expect it. Okay. Not trades right now, guys, because they want to break. They're struggling because these are strong support levels for all of them. And the second time respected, the more the line gets visited, the weaker it becomes, meaning it becomes random. So we are waiting for a new line to get hit.
Have privilege to have this candle.
Okay.
It was the wait.
But push the market for me. Thank you, Mustafa. Thank you. It
I
was a
didn't do
great,
anything yet.
it was a great almost 200. I chickened out again, guys. Oh, now let's see.
Okay, we still
I,
seeing
I wanna,
everything.
I wanna time my entry. Um,
Little bit.
no,
Yes.
Mustafa. No, you're not my
Why?
boss. You are not my boss. I'm sorry.
But I'm expecting, to go to this downside. I mean,
Yes.
for RTY
Yeah,
and
but
for YM
I
as
don't
well.
work for you. I don't work for you, Mustafa.
Okay, let's see the crystal ball.
Oh my God.
Please.
Go up?
Yes, please.
I'm not the
Yeah.
market. I cannot go up.
Not you. I'm talking to the market
Oh, okay, okay.
because you are in the position now. So I'm
Oh,
praying for you.
oh, thanks. I believe in this direction. I don't do it on minis usually. Okay, only on micros. All right. All right. Thank you,
Five,
Mustafa.
five
You're a
to go
good
in six.
pusher. You're a good pusher.
Okay, now look, it goes down to raise two. Okay, raise one on ES, raise two on RTY, guys. Okay, and now the doctor is extremely right
No,
about it. It made a little rebounds.
no, this is a great long entry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it again. It was fun. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm done.
Mm. If you do not have another account on I suggest you
Yeah,
move to Sim
I
because
have.
of the consistency. Yes.
Yeah, I have a few Apex accounts, PA and evals in on the second cloud server. Um, yeah, but I won't go long here. I don't like the idea that there are dangerous zone
Crowded,
here.
yes.
Yeah, I don't like it. Yes, will try to hit this,
It's true. Yes.
and I don't like it. Sorry, guys.
Mhm. This area, full points.
My entries today, Mustafa, I chickened out too early in all my positions.
It's still in green. Of your account.
I didn't blow my SIM account yet.
Huge fight.
This
The
support
candle
level
keeps
may hold
a
a
little
few
bit,
times.
yes.
Yeah, it didn't make the movement I expect of such a strong support. Uh,
I don't know. It
one of
seems like
them
it did.
one of them will hit its resistance. This is the movement I expect. Either NQ, YM, okay? Yeah, target field. Okay. This is at least this is the movement I expect of such a
Yeah, it's
strong
over
support. Yeah.
40, it's around 20 points.
Yeah, at least this movement.
You see on ES, it went back to, went down to,
Intra resistance. Yeah.
no, no, I'm talking
This
about
is
ES.
yeah, yes,
Yeah, if
hit.
anyone wins long from this area, from this line, res one, number five, so now it's hitting almost 10 points.
Oh, okay. I'm going to DCA again. Guys, not on minis, not more than one contract to DCA.
So these two line again and touch this price by one tick lower, then we are have a continuation confirmation.
Don't worry, Mustafa, I'm moving the market. I'm okay. Mustafa, how many times did you see me trade?
100 times usually I can do trades.
How many red trades did I have out of 100?
These days wasn't moving. Of
Okay. No, it's not my statistics. I wish, but
course, yes, but I'm
no.
speaking figuratively, guys. But I saw you also uh, lots of evals one by one, the same days, 3 consecutive days, which is for me was amazing, and I learned a lot these days.
You.
You know, one of the strongest things that you can learn from the doctor is how to draw these intraday lines.
I don't know how to draw like the trigger point algorithm, but similar.
Yes,
But the trigger point is better than me identifying those levels. Thank you,
but
Mustafa. I appreciate.
you're welcome. I'm telling you the truth. You know, I'm just describing what happened. This line, you know, when the price hits even in this kind of a little more downside, then goes up and break it. Next, I'm getting another signal on the super CTP. Super,
Congrats.
it's very beautiful, Nikki.
Okay, now guys, this zone is a dangerous zone because NQ made many market shifts here. Not recommended
Yes,
to
it's
trade
true.
here. Okay, this is dangerous zone. Not to take trades off. When I identify these shifts, okay, I wait for the market to hit another level, either up or down, but I don't take any trades here because it requires big stop loss and DCAs and things that we want to avoid.
Mhm. Sorry, it breaks out already. But, oh,
It's a risky zone. You can see, guys,
yeah.
NQ broke these levels like they're not even here. That's why we stay away and we wait for new levels to hit. And we can see that these levels do not well align with correlated levels. This is also a good indication that this is a dangerous zone. Okay, the levels do not align with correlated levels, so it's a dangerous zone that NQ can cross up and down.
Right, so right. Still within the range.
Danger zone. Okay, RTY broke. Uh,
He's asking me why you didn't place the buy on sub-zero two. Which instrument? Jeremy, which instrument do you? Yes. Okay. This, this is a choppy area. Okay. So usually when I see a choppy area, I prefer to go, you know, hold this area. As you see here, the line is 54, 51, 47. So it's almost less than 4 or 5 points between each one. So I don't want to get chopped out here. So the best is if it's gonna break, this is gonna be like a hard support area. It's gonna get down until it's finished risk 0.5 at the price of 5,647. So I'm expecting like 2 points lower, and it's gonna go back again. That's why I placed it below these lines. When you see a choppy area, it's better that you stay out of these areas, especially for slow movement instruments like ES and RTY. If the gap between the lines for ES for me is how I trade it. If it's less than 5 points, okay, that's mean I'm gonna be seeing price moving up and down within 5 points. That's very bad entry direction. Sure. Question. Yeah. Thank you.
800. 800. More than enough.
It's beautiful. Yes.
Almost 8. 795.
Yeah.
Maybe see here. Little. If needed. I don't know.
Day is bullish direction.
970. Enough, Mustafa.
Just keep moving.
Oh, you want me to keep trading?
Yes.
Okay.
And the
Guys,
first
guys,
right
who
audience.
wants me? Who wants me to keep trading? Only Rob. Only Rob. Going. I don't know what direction, Nikki. You need to tell me. Go long or short. Let's see what our audience on Discord. What do you have to say, guys? Do you want me to keep trading or not? Zigzag. Okay. Come on, don't do it to me. Oh, I'm down 100, Mustafa.
Says, let's see, a little choppy here. So we better wait for this.
Yeah,
I think you messed the trade because it's already done, but it's not gonna be a retest anymore. If it goes back to this area, it's gonna move up.
yeah. This is a dangerous zone. 100 red is good in this dangerous zone.
It's,
Uh,
no, Jeremy is asking about risk 01, okay, which is the level at ease, which is 5,687. He's asking this is a good place to place a sell limit order. No, because the line got broken many times. If it's very bad,
random. We don't know. Sometimes it gets
yeah,
respected again. Sometimes no. Uh,
you're talking about within the same candle, most probably no. Actually, these are big candles, Jeremy. These are 15 minutes candles. It went short when the doctor why the prices stop. Okay,
it's not a good zone to take trades. It
it's
can
true.
work. It cannot work. We don't know. This is a danger zone. You see, this short worked out nicely. And here I lost 100. I could anticipate it beforehand. I took the risk. Okay, guys, this zone, danger zone, is equivalent to this golden line of ES. And as you can see, ES crossed this level many times. This level is equivalent to these two levels, indicating that it is a danger zone. Okay, so if you identify a level that being crossed many time, like here on ES, and there are levels equivalent, so this is a danger zone. Hope it makes sense.
Because the my 51.
This is not the only reason. Yeah, This is one reason. Another reason is that we can see that the equivalent line on ES has been crossed many
Mentioned, yeah.
times.
041.
Yeah, indicating that it's a dangerous zone, that the market can go either direction. I mean, it will break many times. You're welcome, Lucky. So you feel lucky joining the CTP program?
Right. If you guys look at my screen at the CTP signals, okay, here,
Wow, wow, perfect, perfect
yes,
indicator,
exactly.
guys. Look, I mean, I don't see wrong signal here at all.
None.
None of them. Perfect.
None.
Who built this brilliant indicator? No, wow.
I
I'm
can give
amazed.
you her contact, yes, on Discord.
Oh, thank you.
To Livy.
Not only lucky, but happier than ever. We're happy to have you in our program. Really, our pleasure. Wow, perfect indicator. I haven't seen such magic ever. Wow. Look at this, guys. This is the super CTP in front of you in real time. I can't find a wrong signal here. Profit
Wow.
target, correlated trigger
Zero.
points, zero. Yeah. Wow.
Zero
And
new
these
signals.
signals do not lag, guys.
No.
They do not lag. Yeah, because they're created when the prices of four instruments hit their significant levels. Yeah, I saw one false signal there. Okay. So
Yeah.
not 100%, but it looks over
No,
90%.
this is the signals from 9:30, I mean from London until
Oh, okay,
now.
okay. Okay,
Okay,
so yeah,
I
from
took, yeah, I took this short in London. Okay, here I made $100.
you could do,
This
I
is
mean, this is the high of the day. You could hold it
yeah, but
until now.
I made 20 points on one MES contract.
Wow, great.
So for me it was enough. Here, see this one. Then I got followed here like too long because the signal. Then this was the news candle. Things fast. I didn't. waited for the session to start. So I see the signals extremely good, accurate. Okay, I just FOMOed here. This new scandal, ruined my day.
Guys, the Super CTP is part of the CTP program
TP
where you get
mentorship.
the CTP toolkit. The CTP toolkit comes with three indicators. The Super CTP is one of them. Mustafa, you only use the Super CTP. I think this is your favorite one.
This is my
And
favorite
this
one,
is
yes.
part of the CTP program, guys. Okay, you get it if you join the program.
The studio, this one from other companies. You can automate it. Use these signals to automate the entries. Mhm. Indicator, these are from the influence indicator if you're using it. So CTP bot, how do I get it? Okay, answer this because I believe the CTP bot is under development yet, not out. This signal here, okay, this green one is getting plotted 30 seconds ahead minimum.
Welcome,
Welcome, bro.
Raja.
Welcome,
Uh,
Mr. Hi, all. I'm new to this group. Joined the program yesterday. I'm going through the courses now. Perfect. Jay, you can, if you are in the mentorship, okay. I don't know if you are registered to the mentorship. That's what you mean. But if you are registered to the mentorship on the class number 3, you can find the download link. Okay, perfect. Welcome, bro. You will find the download link for the Super CTP, which is I'm using now. You can have the same signals. We are using Super CTP indicator, which is drawing these arrows. You need to join the CTP mentorship. Doctor, can you please write down the link? Or yeah, Lucky, please can you write down the link for them? Mr. Trump is talking. You let me know if you meet every day. Uh, no, but you can reach me out every day. If I'm not on my own session, which is Tuesday and Thursday, will be with other guys, Michael and Domonkos. But you can reach me out on on Discord. If there is anything that I can help you with, of course I'll do it. Let's
This
see.
page. Okay, let's
Sorry,
see.
yes. I'm not gonna move my orders. I'll leave it as it is.
Maybe nothing will happen. Don't know.
Yeah. Well, the UK is a good thing. Hopefully, it's not gonna speak about the tariffs anymore. So there's to 52 level.
I think this long signal wasn't a good one, uh, but that's fine. There's never 100%, but now I could see a wrong long signal, guys. So there's never 100%, but this is a very good indicator. Oh, market doesn't like what the president is saying, but the market likes the trigger point. This is the most important thing.
Yes, that's for me. Yes, this is the sign. I don't know, guys. Let us see what the Mr. President is gonna do to the market.
Mustafa, your order did not fail.
As usual, yes.
So you
The market
ignore the
always,
long signal. You
yeah.
ignore
No,
the long signal of the CTP,
I didn't,
the
but I
level
cannot jump.
above.
I no, I cannot jump here, because it's got plotted here, okay, got plotted
Yeah,
here,
it plotted
and
here and then the price hit. This signal did not lag. Yeah, this
Okay,
one.
you
Yeah.
mean this one? And I didn't see
Yes.
it. I
Yeah,
saw
yeah,
this one,
yeah.
okay, and it
I-
got uploaded here, so I thought, okay, it would be okay if I go here at 52. That's why I moved it from downside here to the upside because I said during the news it might we might hit this crowded area, okay, and we go a little bit down, then it's gonna jump back, which is usually do.
Okay. But you see, the signal did not lag. I mean, I saw it a few minutes ago, this long signal. Before the market hit this level, I saw this signal. Yeah, the right one.
Yeah. The funny thing, I used my three ticks.
How do I add the arrows? Mustafa, can you show please the settings of the Super
Of course.
CTP
In
and
fact,
explain
there's no
the
settings.
no settings?
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
be
there are no
surprised.
settings. I mean,
Yes.
we are weird. The trigger point has no settings, and the Super CTP has no settings. Oh
Yeah.
no, there are settings. You have to pick the colors you like.
Yeah. Tried. Fine tune. So, okay, this is MES. Now we have to select the other three instruments. So that's it. These are the settings. And you click here on the separate direction. It's hard job to do. That's it also. Maybe you like sounds. Click here. That's all. Okay. So we have arrows and circle. Okay, I use both. And in fact, nothing else to do. Zero fine tuning. Wait, we have another signal. Okay, this one is long. Okay, nice.
Okay, you found it. Great. Yeah, yeah. The
Yeah,
toolkit comes with the Super CTP. Yeah, you need to have access to it also.
it's information for learning now.
Yeah. And you missed it again. Like
Yes.
Britney Spears. Oops, you did it again.
Yes. Uh, we have
Rob,
3 minutes.
What do you mean?
Be fun. It's stressful enough. So we need to make it, somehow funny. And the thing, if you know what you're doing, it's gonna be fun and you love it. In fact, this arrows knows what it's doing more than me.
Yeah. When the bot is ready, guys, uh, you 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 will enjoy it, I think.
Jerry is
Uh,
asking how do I get a super CDP? Don't think I have it. Okay.
yeah, you have access, guys. Please look carefully. There is the Super CTP also. It is accessible for you.
First, you need to know that he's in the program. Are you in the program, Jerry? Super CTP stress is gone. Okay, so first you need to register to the CTP mentorship. This trade I took, it's a FOMO trade. Okay,
Yeah,
because
I
it
do
was
it also sometimes.
a little bit late for the entry.
The best is to wait for the market to come to you. I
Yeah.
mean, Dom Monko's performance has increased dramatically since he stopped FOMOing. His entries are only off the trigger points for 2 months, I think, already, and he already got his second payout.
Congratulations to him.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
hard
this
not
is
to
numbers.
FOMO.
Yeah, like 30 something payout for the Moncos.
Yeah,
And the funny thing is getting payouts from Apex.
yeah, this is very funny.
Yes. I think he's the only guy he's getting payouts from Apex.
Yeah. And he likes the trigger point the most and the CTP. He thinks he can make 1 million with CTP the coming year.
Maybe.
Let's see. Let's see. This is a challenge for the Monkosh. Let's see if he hits 1 million in 1 year.
We need to make 100K this year, by the end of this year, within few accounts. I'm just testing out myself, my
Yeah,
capabilities.
with a few account. Yeah, more than one.
Yes. Because who wants to speak next time about risk management, position management, and making a plan to make this 100K?
You?
Me, of course, yes, I have the plan. I'm just gonna demonstrate it. That's all. To make 100K, to make 1 million, you know this? Just let's start, with my ambitions. Nikki says, I'm down 100K. Are you serious, man? Can I
Yeah,
get out?
Mustafa, can you please
Yeah.
show again the settings of the CTP indicator?
CTP settings, right?
Yeah,
Later. Jerry, I'm not talking about the accounts. I'm talking about making payouts of 100K this year. We are talking, Lucky. Okay, just let's make a plan. You can scale it up. You know, my plan is scalable anyway. Okay, we have here Eniko says uh, on
Guys,
the super
please,
city
please,
to see the errors.
please watch the lessons. You should not ask questions like this, guys. Sorry.
No, I don't know.
What
Is
instruments should we pick if we trade NQ, guys?
it okay? Okay, it's R2Y, Y1, and yes. That's it. So Y and YM. Okay, that's it. So you need to place here on this, select instrument 3, 2, 1, and that's it. It's very easy. If you see the lessons on the course, you can find it very easy. If I remove the settings, does anyone need something out of the settings again? Let me show you a few things here. This is all, it's just related to the necessary colors, nothing else. Ah, this one. So if I go short with this one, I would take like 5 points and get out for 5 points. We set it for you here, okay, and then play out. Um, Ghost. Yeah, you said yesterday your name is Ghost. He says, have you noticed when ES is up, GC is down, vice versa? Usually yes, sometimes no, Jerry. It's not very consistent that they are contradictive. Because some days they are all moving the same way, same direction. So I wouldn't take it as to the Can you hear me? You made this entry because you wanted to see it ghost. So let's see how it's gonna play out, me and you. Now it hits the line. Let's see if it's gonna do this 82 price. It's 80 exactly. 5 just by 2 ticks. I'm trading MES now. As the trial gives you access to learning modules. If you are talking about CTP, no, it doesn't. Ah, I entered at 81.75. Okay. How many ticks as drawdown I have? Look at my high. 0 drawdown. I should be having like 5 points, I guess. My entry is at 81.75. The high for the candle is 81.75. The low went to 77.75. So if I should get 4 points and get out, then it's fine. So what do you think? Should I get in, stay in the trade, get out? Tell me. Is that there are lots of different methods to trade. If you're a scalper, then your target is 4 or 5 points of ES, for example. Okay, if you are a position trader, okay, like Dr. Efrad, she likes to get the big runs, me too. Okay. So you need to precise your entry with the correlation of other assets. Me personally, the only thing that I don't like is the drawdown in trades because this is, makes you anxious, makes you worry, makes you feel not confident, and it's not nice. So if you can precise your entry, okay, it will be much better and easier for you to trade and to keep things going. Who says, I do want to say thank you to Dr. Levy for sharing her knowledge with everyone through the program.
You're welcome. We're happy that you're satisfied and you take advantage of it. This is why we built it to help traders uh, to turn confusion into clarity. Thank you. I don't know what to say. I'm also sexy looking.
Yes. It seems we have news. Is it month by month? If you don't like to see the training modules, and if you like the indicator, I don't know about this, but the doctor can answer, or if you can email. Personally,
Sorry, what was the question?
he is saying that if he can join the CTP, and is it month by month?
No, it's annual. It's an annual plan.
Signal short. Give a look at NQ. We were getting short signal in Q. Around 7 points, then returns back. But I shouldn't get out. I used the wrong ATM. Reaches 7 points down. I used the ES ATM instead of the MNQ ATM. But anyway, actually, I mean, this doesn't need course to create ATMs. I can show you how you do it. Or even YouTube, you can show you this. Anyone here can share with you how you can do it. It's very easy. Here, trying to move up. 63 points now, 69.5. Okay, it keeps moving up. I moved my entry to 200, guess.
This movement is due to the news, Trump?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so it's risky. We can see, I think these two signals didn't work out, or maybe gave you a few
Last
points.
few points, Dr. Yes.
Mhm. Okay. Not enough, but okay.
Yeah, it's around 7 points for me. So let us see. It's been nice payout for me.
It's risky, but it looks
It's
okay.
calculated risk according to the CTP.
Okay. It
Yeah,
looks like it worked out nicely, but I wouldn't, I don't know. I'm done for the day.
yeah, we're not yet. Me and the guys.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. What the hell is the market doing? What was this? Oh my God. Sorry, I had
Jeremy,
to
I'm really, it's
I
really
had to
fun,
push the market, Mustafa. I was afraid. I'm sorry, but it was too strong. Yeah, it was me, Jeremy. It was me. I moved the market. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Jeremy. Next time I'll do it less strong. What was this?
The main thing is that, guys, if you have the edge, you know what you're doing. Don't be afraid. Just be confident. Take it. We have the edge. So that's why I'm not afraid to go ahead and do this kind of trades because you see on the correlation side, that you can see everything, how they are reacting, how they are just moving, which lines you can take, which lines you cannot. Usually I use the four charts on TradingView and look at it, make intraday lines, making uh decisions based on the lines correlated. Even when the signal is plotted, I decide either I take it or not. I think if my ATM doesn't have a break even, I would be having $100 now.
How many tick stop loss did you put?
Just 15 points, which is equivalent to the 3 points of ES to
Oh,
me.
wow. It was a perfect trade, Mustafa.
I learned from the best, yes.
Mm.
This is Dr. Levy. If you have made money with this entry, okay, please let me know. I would be glad to know this. Makes me happy, even from previous trades.
iPad Pro, what is your name, if I can ask you?
He said ghost
I-
yesterday.
iPad Pro?
Yes.
Ghost?
Yeah.
Okay.
Zelda. You right? So this is what matters to me. We're having fun, no stress. We're making money. That's the point. The doctor was asking you about your name.
Leon, you saw Mustafa on TFD YouTube channel. It wasn't Top Step, it was the Futures Desk. Great memory.
Just FX in.
I think I saw you on Top Step, so I answered that you,
It was TFD. Yes.
yeah, TFD.
Can trade also. When I do scalp, I do it on the 15 seconds. Under, I use the 5 days, the previous 5 days. This is the answer for a question. I'm really sorry that I replied it lately. The CTP, okay, is based on trigger points, and the trigger points, if you're trading within it, okay, it gives you the opportunity to have big runs, not scalping. So if you're looking for big runs, like for example, 20 points, 10 points on ES, and 25 to 50 to 100 on EQ, okay. So I suggest you to move to a higher time frame, like minimum 5 minutes. 1 minute is great, of course, okay. In 5 minutes, it's gonna give you a clear direction. More than one, it's very noisy. If you're scalping, okay, I agree. Okay, go ahead with 1 minute, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. So it depends on your trading style, personality. We have great scalper traders, by the way, in community. Did you see the red line above? Would that be a 7 point short for you? Okay, now look, the price went down from here to here, okay, due to the news, and then bounced back. So this is a breakout for res one of the day, Rob. So we don't go short again from this area. Yeah, but you are saying that we don't go short because you say, would that be a 7 point short for you? No, if it breaks out, we cannot. Yeah, now we go up higher. Okay. Place the order here, okay? At three, I guess. This short. Okay. Then it went down, tested this level. I don't care if it's news, if it's whatever. Okay, tested this level. Then it doesn't hold and keep the level to be broken and went down to another one. So this is for me is a false breakout. Okay, so it goes back up. So when it goes back up and make another break and make a new higher high to the previous candle, okay, so I say this as a confirmation not to go short because it might continue up. So I would be patient, waiting for a confirmation for a retest, like I see here, long candle, another long candle, retest. I will go long again with the retest. This is one of the setups we learn in CTP. This is like works like a charm, like 80% of the time, 90% of the time. See here, these levels. Let me show you on yes. We got short signal on yes, this area, because this is a false breakout on the yes side. We got two, in fact, but I still see a momentum here, and there is no single. Okay, see even exhaustion in the bullish momentum here, so I cannot go short against it. See, now it's testing the high of the day. I wouldn't go short here even. I might go short from here. Yes. That depends on your broker or the pro firm you're dealing with. Not everyone. Welcome. You'll have this a lot with Epics. So you guys still in the trade? To check with Epics, Discord for you, they might and have announcement for your data feed problem. Mm. Is CTP you recommend the trading? Uh, confirm. 15 minutes, of course. 5 minutes at least. That's what I know. It's like a retest, so gonna step down. I'm going short.
Honey?
You are green today, I guess.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the live trading room today. If you enjoyed,
Yes.
please shoot us a like on our YouTube and follow us and share and leave comments. Thank you for being us today with us today.
I'm really happy. I enjoyed it. It's fun. And I really like you guys. We are very interacting together. So things are moving slowly and fun. I hope you enjoyed it today as well. And of course, being green is much more fun.
Have a
Okay.
great day. Take care.
Okay. Jerry says, can you send me the link for the mentorship? Okay, guys, my session is every week, Tuesday and Thursday. So I hope I see you next Tuesday. Let me send you the link again, Jerry.
I just shared with you. This is the link for the mentorship. It comes with the CTP toolkit and lessons with me and the VIP channel on Discord where I go live at least once a week, usually during the London session, maybe
You
beforehand a
can
little. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Take care and have a great day.
Thanks a lot.